Hello, my name is Kathy. I'm from your success team here at MIFOinc. I'd like to go over your screening report. In this report, we've taken your breast cancer, cervical, and colorectal cancer patients that require to have screenings for the calendar year. As you can see, we've taken each measure and indicated how many patients are in that measure. By clicking on any one of the bar, you'll filter that data for that measure only. By clicking once again, it will take you back to the full view. The table below shows each measure with descriptions that help you manage the process easier. The first description is claim less than 60 days. This indicates that there has been an encounter. The claim is sitting in appended status, giving the insurance carrier at least 60 days to adjudicate the claim. 60 days is an average. However, if an insurance carrier adjudicates a claim earlier or later than 60 days, we use that data. The next category is missing one or more parts. This is a very important category because there has been an encounter. However, there's an error in omissions in the billing codes used. Therefore, this encounter will not be given credit by the insurance company. We give you the information here where the data is missing. You can see here that there are ICD codes that have not been indicated. This data would have to go back to your biller for review and completion and resubmission to the health plan. The next category, outreach opportunity, indicates patients that have not yet been seen in the practice, nor do they have an appointment. This data can be taken and an outreach campaign can be performed to get the patients into the office for their screenings and to be recorded properly with the insurance company. The next category, claims more than 60 days, indicates that that claim has been in pending status more than 60 days. We're now waiting to see if the claim or if the encounter for that patient comes off future MSRs. If it does, then we know that the claim has been received by the quality team and the measure has been met and the incentive dollars have been earned. If it has not come off the MSR, then it moves up into appeal status and is submitted to the health plan as supplemental data to ensure that you are given proper credit for meeting that measure. That is the proper way to utilize the screening report, and I look forward to seeing you at a future training module.